Alright, this is number 39 on page 566, and in this problem we're supposed to find the exact value of the 6 trig functions of each angle. And when they say exact value, they mean not a decimal approximation. It's kind of a hint to me that the reference angle is going to be one of the special angles of a 30, a 45, or a 60-degree angle that I will have memorized the trig functions for. So first of all, 135-degree angle comes around past 90 by another 45. So this angle goes like so. So there's my 135 degrees. So the reference angle, and that's, let's see, first that's in quadrant 2. And in quadrant 2, the x and the y, x is negative, right, because I go left, and y is a positive value because I go up for any points in that quadrant. So that's going to tell me, that ahead of time that cosine will be negative in this quadrant and sine will be positive. So anyway, the reference angle is 180 degrees minus 135, the angle that's in the wedge right here, which is 45 degrees. So this is a 45-degree angle. And so, you can sketch one in, a little triangle if you like, but as you know, no matter what these measures are, the ratios of these leg lengths are always going to be the same. So the sine of a 45-degree angle, and then I'll talk about, let's do these first, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So the sine in this quadrant, remember, is going to be a positive, and the sine of a 45-degree angle so the sine of 135 degrees, but we're looking at the sine of a 45-degree angle because they're going to be the same, will be a positive root 2 over 2. The cosine of a 135-degree angle, now the cosine, because it's just like a 45-degree angle in the quadrant 1, except that because we're in quadrant 2, the cosine is negative, right, because x is negative, is a negative root 2 over 2. And then the tangent is sine over cosine, which in this case is going to be negative 1. So anyway, then cosecant is going to be the reciprocal of this, so it's going to be 2 over root 2, which when I rationalize that is 2 root 2 over 2, which is just root 2. And this is going to be the same thing except negative. And the cotangent of a 135-degree angle will be a positive divided by a negative, which is still a negative 1. So it's the same as the tangent. And that's it. And so basically you look at the 135-degree angle just like it's a 45-degree, 45, 45, 90 right triangle. But you have to make sure that in this quadrant, we remember because we went left on x, that cosine's negative. And then that will make tangent negative because tangent is the quotient of sine divided by cosine. And that's it.